The first question is why to learn SAP MM and who should learn it? Now there can be the different purpose to learn SAP MM, right? You can learn SAP MM or it is called SAP S4HANA Sourcing and Procurement, whether you are learning SAP MM or Sourcing and Procurement. One thing you need to ensure you learn in SAP S4HANA. That is the latest version of it, right? And you can learn this module there can be the two ways you can proceed ahead. One thing is that you want to become a consultant. The another thing can be that you want to become a end user also. So you want to jump into the operation experience. So after learning this module, you can jump into the consulting or you can jump into the business operation where you will be working as an end user or key users. So if you want to become a consultant, this course is for you. If you want to start your career as a key user or end user, then also you can go ahead with this course. The configuration part, no need to go into that detail. So a lot of companies are there who wants, and that is especially for the freshers. If you are a fresher, you can learn this, and after this, first thing you should look forward an end user and a key user job. I want you to work for 2 years in the business operation as an end user and key user. And after that, it would be good if you jump into the consulting side of it. If you're already working into the business operations, in sourcing business operation, in procurement business operation, in supply chain business operation, where buying is involved, whether you have an end user experience or not, if you have a business user experience, you have experience to this business, and you want to make sure that you have a rapid growth in your career. In operations, business operation, the growth is very stagnant. But if you're looking for a rapid growth, and if you're looking for switch your career from business operation to consulting or business operations to IT, then this is the course for you. You should go ahead and learn SAP MM. SAP is a golden, SAP functional modules, I would say, is a golden opportunity for the people who are working into the business operations to switch their career towards consulting or IT without knowing any coding, without knowing a zero code, you would be able to switch your career. So I highly recommend that the people who are working, who has a very strong business knowledge, good in communication, should learn SAP MM or sourcing and procurement and try to become a consultant of it. All the freshers should learn it and try to start their career journey as a key user or end user and then convert from there to the consultant. Although fresher can also become consultant directly, we have so many success story for that also, but I prefer the other way around.